Hello, welcome to MK2 Golf Stories. Today we're going to be looking at the electronic timing on the GTI. Got a new toy, got a timing gun. It's just a cheap Amazon jobby. I'll put a link to this in the description down below. Should be a fairly straightforward process. Not tried this before, let's see what it's like. Hopefully be nice and easy. Let's go. Basically just need to check we see the diamond on the flywheel and then adjust the dizzy so the second arrow is slightly before the mark, and that will give us between 6 and 8 degrees before top dead centre. Today's band t-shirt is Flatback 4. They're a really cool punk band, kind of melodic, from St Helens. Really cool, check them out. Link to their music down in the description below. So we need to take out the green bung down here. Careful not to knock any wires. What? So this should be fairly straightforward to set up. Here's our timing light, OBD monster. Pretty straightforward and basic. This clips onto number 1 plug. It says the best way to use it is to get it. Let's just try it like that. Now that's clips on there, is get this, turn the engine over, point it down there, and it should flash. We should be able to see the marks on the flywheel. Then we loosen off the dizzy and turn it. Okay. So you can see that white mark should be slightly to the right of the mark on the gearbox housing. Seems to be idling okay now. It's idling okay before, but that in theory is how you set your timing on your 16-valve GTI. There's a link to one of these timing guns down in the description below. It's 26 quid. Pretty good job really for what, for what you pay for it. Does what it says on the tin. If you find it useful, let me know down in the comments below. I think we're probably about ready to get an MOT booked in now. Kind of scared. Well, let's see. Yeah, so until next time, thanks a lot. See you again. Bye bye.